it's Ayushi. Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to style a pleated skirt in 5 different ways. I chose a how to style in different ways video because my channel is going to be about affordable fashion, and being a college student, I don't feel ashamed in repeating my clothes, but at the same time, I love styling them in different ways. Give me one piece of clothing and I can show you how to style it in 10 different ways. So in this video, I will be styling this pretty skirt that I got from H&M for different occasions. The length and the pleats of this skirt makes it look quite ladylike and chic, but at the same time, as you can see, the color and the pattern, it gives more edge to it. Pleats are very versatile and can easily be dressed up or dressed down. Last season, top brands like Balenciaga displayed these pleats and skirts in their shows, and now you can easily find them in stores like Zara, H&M, or even Forever 21. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Ni vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the race. Do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself. Can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere. It doesn't make sense, no.
So bring it back.
Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself. Can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere. It doesn't make sense, no.
So bring it back.
Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important, should be your name. People go should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to press the like button below, and do tell me in the comments which one was your favorite outfit. Mine is the black sweater with a belt. I think it's formal and edgy at the same time. And please do subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos soon related to fashion, lifestyle and travel. Until next time, bye.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.